there, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll have fun becoming fluent in American English. Do you sometimes feel that your English is a little too basic? Like you want to connect your ideas and sound more sophisticated, but you're stuck using simple sentences? Well, guess what? Today's episode on Linkwords, also called connectors, is going to up your English game and help you sound more sophisticated. Let's go. Before we start, let me share with you the site italki, where you can increase your speaking fluency and get lots of real conversation practice to actually apply today's lesson. Plus, you'll get $10 in italki credit when you buy your first lesson, because I have a special partnership with them. And the link is below the video, so check it out after today's lesson. Now, let's look at Linkwords. Just to be sure that we're both talking about the same thing, let's look at some of the useful connectors that we'll learn today. These are expressions like especially, however, and what's more. So these can be single words or expressions, and we can use them for lots of different functions, like pointing out something specific, showing contrast, adding more information, or other things like giving the consequence of another action. In other words, connectors are super useful. We could even say that they're like the super glue that holds ideas together. Oh no, I got the glue all over my fingers and I love Italian food, especially the desserts. We use especially to add detail or to be more specific. In that example, I said a general category of things, Italian food. But then I wanted to be more specific and say that I really, really love Italian desserts. Tiramisu. Anyway, to connect those two ideas and to go from general to specific, I use the link word especially. Here are a few more examples. We like working with ambitious clients, especially clients in IT and digital industries. We go from general, ambitious clients, to more specific, ambitious clients in the IT and digital industries. Another example, I really like California, especially San Francisco and San Diego. So California is more general, and the two cities are more specific. I've never been to New York City. However, I have been to Chicago. We use however to show contrast between two ideas. In that example, I say that I've never been to New York City. I know, sad, but true. Then I give a contrast by saying that I've been to a different big city, Chicago. However is similar to the simpler connector, but, which you probably already know. And I could say, I've never been to New York City, but I have been to Chicago. What's the difference, you ask? Well, however tends to be a little more formal. We use it more in writing and in more formal speaking. But is more conversational, and you'll use it more often. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't use but in formal conversations, of course. But here's an example with however that you might read in a business email. We can't respond to your request immediately. However, we will contact you as soon as possible. And here's the same idea with but, which sounds more conversational. We can't help you right now, but we'll let you know as soon as we can. So, two same messages, but two different levels of formality and two different connectors, however and but. This water bottle will reduce your plastic waste. What's more, it's pretty and easy to carry. We use what's more to add information and to emphasize that additional information. It's similar to the link words moreover, in addition, and furthermore, which you perhaps learned. But what's more is more conversational. I hear a lot of students make the mistake trying to use formal link words like moreover and furthermore in casual conversation. And it just sounds weird. Like, oh, I like that movie. Furthermore, the music was pretty cool. It sounds a little off. But if you say, I liked the movie, what's more, the music was pretty cool, it sounds better because the connector, what's more, is conversational. Here are two more examples. I really love teaching English. What's more, I help people all over the world feel more confident. Another, there are a lot of cool things to see in the US. What's more, the food is good too. Yes, it is. So, there you have it, 3 super useful link words to level up your English. Now, what about you? What other link words do you have questions about? Are there any that are confusing for you? Tell me in the comments so I can help you better understand these useful little words that'll make you sound more advanced. Would you like 3 essential lessons for easier conversations in English? Sign up to my top small talk lessons and free worksheets. Just click the image below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you get a new English lesson each week. Thanks for watching Speak English with Christina, and I'll see you next time.